That's a steep climb. I'm west. That's Lucy. This is the Black Rock Desert. Mic flip. WestGoesWandering. My plans changed a whole lot in the last few months. I thought I was going to be heading down to Death Valley and then possibly Cerro Gordo, but flooding washed out all of the roads a second time. Death Valley is half closed, and I'm going to save that trip for when I can enjoy more of it. But a quick plan change like that definitely left me feeling a little stuck. This trail's a lot steeper than it looks. It's been a few years since I last felt stuck. I was working a job I didn't love, and I just felt trapped in a lifestyle I didn't really love. But the only way to get through that is by going through it. So I made a plan, and I sold my house, and I started traveling full time. I have no regrets. And so now I've got to make another plan so I can keep doing this. I think I'm going to spend winter working in southern Utah or Arizona, saving up so that I can do another long road trip north to Alaska next midsummer, early fall. And I know I've probably said that before, but that's a plan that I want to make sure happens. So, over the course of the next month, I'm going to be home basing out of Reno, helping my dad close out his business with a project, and looking for work. I don't care so much what the work is, but I cannot sit in an office all day and do that game again. I'd really like to find work out of the national parks or an organization that tours the national parks or a campground nearby, but we'll see how things unfold. I'm definitely not opposed to getting a job in a fab shop, for getting better at welding and machine work. So, or learning to toss a pizza. I'm really open, but I do want to learn something new. And I think that work is a good way to do that. You just have to find the right employer that wants to teach you. So that's where I am. Why Utah or Arizona, you ask? Less likely to see a full season of snow. And now that I'm living out of Icarus full time, snow is something that I love, but I can't be out in it all day, every day. It's just too harsh. And some of you will ask, why did you sell Wings then? Wings was just a sleeper. There was no like living space in there. It was even uncomfortable to sit up most of the time. I had a pillow that made it a little bit better, but not a whole lot. In the next year, I would like YouTube to be my full-time job, even if I'm not making a ton of money, just enough money to get by. And I want to buy a little piece of land and either build a tiny home or build out a bus. I can't help but romanticize the schoolie life, and it just seems like the next logical step. It'll provide automatic content and allow me to keep living a life that I just so recently discovered to be the life I want to live. Within 5 years, I want to be big enough to get on Hot Ones, which is getting harder and harder, which means I need to refine my content and make it entertaining. I realize that some of you are entertained, some of you are saving my feelings, but it needs to be more entertaining. I'd like there to be more than 20 of you. I do love the 20 of you that are here, but I'd like there to be more, which means I need to get better at editing and content. Sliver of shade here, and even though it's only low 90s, the desert be hot. This week, I'm gonna take you through my usual routine on the road. I'm kind of excited about that. I finally kind of settled into a routine I really enjoy, and I'd like to share that. And I'm gonna show you my new travel setup, and you can be amazed at the rough living I'm doing currently. It is so worth it. Oh, those last shots might have some gunk on the lens, so sorry. For today, just gonna focus on getting this video up, which I realize is a shit show, but I promise to deliver content Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so you're gonna get content. Eventually, I'll find things that I really love. On Friday, I'm gonna do a how, what, when, why, and where do nomads ... and use Google stuff to answer the internet's questions about nomads. So that'll be a thing that I've seen other people do with much greater success than me, and something I'm looking forward to. In any case, there'll be new locations, probably further north in Nevada, so more desertscape, and new adventures. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Might be late for Burning Man, but I'm not too late for the views. Epic spot.